Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel KavuCreative. Today, I will be creating a 3D logo design in Adobe Illustrator. Let's start. Double clicks on the artboard tool in the toolbar. Check mark on Show Center Mark in Display section, then press OK. Swap fill to Stroke. Select Ellipse tool from Toolbar. Hold the Alt key and left-click on Center of Artboard. Write width and height as 200 pixels and press OK. Select Direct Selection tool from Toolbar. Select left and bottom anchor point of the circle. Press Delete key. Select Width tool from Toolbar. Double-click on bottom anchor point. Constrain proportions by click on it. Write total width as 50 pixels. Press OK. Make little bit wider from center. Go to Object menu. Select Expand Appearance. Press OK. Now select Pen tool from Toolbar. Swap fill to stroke. Make shape, as I do. Select all and select Shape Builder tool from Toolbar. Swap stroke to fill. Make shapes as I do. Change its color from color palettes. Select all and make group. Go to Effect menu. Select Distort and Transform and select Transform. Select bottom left point. Right angle as 60 pixels. Right horizontal move as -80 pixels and right vertical move as -70 pixels and make 5 copies. Press OK. Align it to center. Now it looks amazing. Thank you for watching. If you liked video and have any questions, just drop a comment below. Remember to like and subscribe. Thank you once more for your support.